Introducing Metal Recruiters, the premier executive search firm exclusively dedicated to the metal industry, such as fabrication, mining, construction, erection, processing, manufacturing, distribution, recycling, trading, and more. In the dynamic landscape of the metal industry, attracting skilled candidates can pose challenges. This is where Metal Recruiters excels. With a steadfast focus on excellence, Metal Recruiters offers bespoke recruitment solutions designed specifically for the metal industry. Leveraging cutting-edge data analytics and over 3 decades of industry experience, we align your recruitment strategies with your business objectives, streamlining the hiring process. Our profound understanding of the metal industry enables us to develop targeted strategies for positions at all levels, from hourly roles to executive leadership. Metal Recruiters is dedicated to delivering top-tier staffing solutions exclusively tailored to the metal industry. Driven by advanced technology, our platform provides a seamless candidate experience, allowing you to identify top talent with precision. With a global reach, Metal Recruiters caters to your recruitment needs wherever your operations extend. At Metal Recruiters, our approach to talent acquisition is defined by our unmatched expertise, profound industry insights, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Join Metal Recruiters today and discover unparalleled staffing solutions meticulously crafted for the metal industry.